And he was shocked. Ngayon naman, kita dapat ang matubang dito sa cross. Pero Jesus take it. Yang ikuha sa tuwa. Nga na ang mayo sa Diyos sa tuwa kinabo. That is the second reason why what has Jesus done for us is because Jesus took our sin. And then ikatulo, in Romans 5 verse 8, masawa na po ako sa Bisaya, aron sabta na to. Asa naman ka, Romans? Where are you? Here. Romans 5 verse 8. 6 man eh. Ingon sa dinhi, apan gipakita sa Dios kanato ang gidak-on sa iyang gugma kanato kaysa makasala pa kita, nagpakamatay si Kristo alang kanato. So Jesus died for us. Mo nang one of our kwan sa buhi, Jesus loves me. I have sinned. Wala, dili man mo. Jesus died for me in the cross, and then the last is I had to decide to follow Jesus. So the reason why ngano pakamatay si Jesus cross, while we're still sinner, Christ died for us. Jesus didn't wait for us to clean up or act. He saw our worst and still chose the cross. Iyagi apong gipili ang cross. Bilis sa paghugaw nato, iyang gipili ang cross para kita malimpyuhan. Imbes na kita digtuwa, iyang gikuha para sa tuwa. His love isn't based on our performance. It's rooted in His character. What is character? His love. His passionate love for us.